Hello friends, I'm back from my month-long break with newfound motivation and ideas. I definitely missed creating peaceful content for you, so thank you for standing by while I took this much-needed break. So much has happened in the last month, but perhaps one of the most exciting things is that my devotional journals are finally back in stock. Even though we just stocked up again, we only have about a third of the stock left, thanks to your incredible support. I'll leave a link to the journals below. During this time, I've also been reading through your comments, and a common question I received was where I shop for my minimalist clothes. In an effort to be more environmentally friendly, I decided to rethink the way I shop. Everything featured in this video will either be sustainably sourced, thrifted, or something that I've already owned for years. I hope this video will inspire you to get creative with mixing the pieces in your closet with the fun and unique items at your local thrift store. If you really want to treat yourself to something new and long-lasting, I recommend buying from eco-conscious brands like Vivea. Vivea's shoes are made with recycled materials, and their styles are incredibly timeless and elegant. I've partnered with Vivea to give you 10 beautiful outfits to build your own minimalist winter wardrobe. Let's get started. For the first look, I'm going to tuck a champagne silk tank top into this leopard print skirt, and I'm going to elevate the look with the Amelia cashmere cardigan. The cardigan's slightly relaxed fit gives it a very elegant and modern look. For shoes, I'm going with the Aurora heels. They're classic and comfortable, but the bow gives it a fun twist. The Aurora heels are breathable, wear-resistant, and non-slip. The quality is incredible, and the best part is that it's made with recycled materials. One pair of Auroras are made from 6 recycled plastic bottles. Plus, they're super comfortable. My feet are on the wider side, but these heels fit me comfortably even though they're pointed. This look is perfect for a cozy holiday dinner party. Both the Aurora heels and the Amelia cardigan are from Vivea. Everything else I just dug up from the part of my closet that I never touch. The most sustainable way to dress is to just use what you already have. Next, I found this beautiful knitted cardigan at the thrift store, and it was perfect for fall and winter. The felted patches almost looked like they were DIY'd, which I love. I'm going to pair this sweater cardigan with my relaxed AG jeans and these neutral-toned Myra sneakers. I feel like I jumped straight out of a Pinterest post with this outfit. The Myra lace-up sneakers feature a round toe with a lightweight and comfortable feel, making them ideal for any casual outing with friends. They just glide on so easily. I also love that they're made with recycled materials that are deodorizing and antimicrobial. To top it off, all of Vivea's flats, loafers, and sneakers are machine washable, making the cleaning process super convenient. I'll link to these shoes in my description below so you can check out the wash guide. For the third outfit, I'm going to layer the Allura turtleneck under this Everlane dress that I thrifted. The Allura turtleneck is absolutely weightless, yet so soft and warm. It pairs beautifully with this thrifted Everlane dress and makes me feel like a modern-day Belle from Beauty and the Beast. The Aurora heels take this look to another level. Vivea's pieces are minimal and neutral colored, so they pair well with most outfits. I've gotta say, it feels so good to dress more sustainably. After all, we were called to steward this earth to the best of our ability, and for many of us, that starts with regulating our consumption habits. I also thrifted this adorable dress the same day I found the Everlane dress. It's youthful, flowy, and can be layered for different seasons. For this look, all I have to do is roll up the sleeves of my Allura turtleneck for a more relaxed and playful style. I'd love to wear this wholesome outfit at church one of these Sundays. Fashion can be such a healing and creative way to express yourself. For this next look, I'm going to tuck the Amelia cardigan into my black Levi's. unbutton the top to make it look more like a blouse, and throw on this Reformation jean jacket that I thrifted. To finish the look, I'll pair it with my black Melissa boots from Vivea. The black on black makes it look like I have legs for days. I love that the boots are so easy to slip on and off. They also feature this structural heel, which is so unique and elegant. I love that it's not just a typical black pair of boots, but there's something interesting in the back. This is something I'd wear to a casual business meeting or just getting coffee with a longtime friend. Next, I'm going to pair this made-to-order linen dress that I got on Etsy with a cropped cardigan that I've owned for years. The shape of this outfit kind of reminds me of a Korean handbook, which is so incredibly beautiful. It makes me really happy. The Aurora heels absolutely tie the look together. This is also a super adorable outfit for a special family event. Next, I recently thrifted this oversized rusty orange sweater, which is so comfy and perfect for the holiday season. Instead of pairing it with black leggings, I thought it would look more fun with these gray-blue ones I got a while ago. The colors remind me of fall leaves against the blue sky. To add even more comfort to the look, I'm pairing it with the Myra sneakers from Vivea. I could wear this outfit to the grocery store, worship practice, brunch. I could pretty much live in this comfy outfit. For outfit number 8, I'm going to go for another super comfy look and pair my favorite turtleneck with this mint green linen dress that I had made to order from Etsy. I'm tying this look together with the Aurora heels. I feel so safe and warm, like I'm in my own little chic cocoon. This is an outfit I would wear to my family's Thanksgiving party for sure. It's so loose-fitting that I could just keep eating comfortably. Since we've been featuring mostly light colors all this time, let's switch to something darker. I'm gonna pair this black cropped cardigan that I thrifted with a burgundy skirt that I've had for years and the black Melissa boots. I don't usually dress in all dark colors, but this is such a mood. I would wear this to a dinner date or maybe just walk around a beautiful library or bookstore. Who knows, I might be able to pass as a librarian. Finally, for our last look, I'm going back to the basics. My neutral linen overalls that were made to order from Etsy, my gray heat tech long sleeve, and the Myra sneakers from Vivea. I will never tire of a good pair of overalls and sneakers, no matter what season. It's just so comfy, and if there's any season where comfiness is key, it's winter. I hope you guys enjoyed these 10 minimalist looks for winter. I'll link to as many things as I can in the description box, including the sustainable Vivea products I featured. They also gave me a discount code to share with you guys, so be sure to use the code ANN for an extra 20% off your order from now until December 15. After that, the code is good for 18% off. Before this video ends, I just want to leave you with this reminder. At the end of the day, our clothes are just tools for self-expression and self-protection. It is not our clothes, but the content of our character that defines us. So pay closer attention to the details of your heart than the details of your closet. I'll see you guys again soon.